full brakes.
This guy's worth every penny. All right, let's turn this plane around.
10 David, we just got a report. A plane has landed on the 6th Street Bridge.
They what? Let's mount up!
All right, give me a car downstairs, now.
What's... Hey, how are you? He's got room for one of you. I'm not going anywhere without my wife. No, come on.
No, Richard!
Hey! Christ!
Richard!
Richard is gone, so sit down and shut up. 20 seconds! See you in Margaritaville.
Come on.
Please just let me go. No. Please just let me go.
Come on!
Please let me
Shut
go.
the hell up!
Get us in the air.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go home.
Oh, look, they got their own airport security.
You've got company! River broke containment!
All right, we got you covered, man. Just keep coming. Ooh. Here. What's this? Oh, that'd be a cell phone. That's the account number where I want the money transferred. The bank verifies the transfer. God damn if you're a free man.
70, David. Be advised there are hostages on board.
All right, you heard the man. Deke, yo, they get that plane off the ground, those hostages are dead. I need your A-game, boys and girls.
What's going on, guys?
Get them off our asses!
Let's fly the plane. Open the hatch. Open the hatch. The hatch.
Hang on, guys. Here's where watching the world's most exciting police chases pays off.
I got no shot! Get this thing in the air! Come on! Shut that goddamn door!
Hope you got a plan B, brother. You stay there, you're fine. Campbell! Let her go! Take a shot, Kimbo!
Sanchez is down!
Sanchez.
Are you okay?
I'm all right, man.
Sorry, man. I gotta go too.
No!
Tell Daddy how you want it. You're like a goddamn rash. You might want to get that looked at, brother.
How's Boxer?
What do you care?
Come on, Hondo, just give me that.
It's gonna make it.
Good.
Just couldn't resist, could you? So what do you want to do?
God damn it, Sarge.